everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add voice recording directly in Canva video. So first open your Canva video project. On the left hand panel, click on uploads and this will show you a record yourself option. So if you want to record something, click on record voiceover, tap the red button to record it, and after that narrates your speech. Once it's over, click on the stop button. But if you have a previous one already, then go to the audio tab and here you will see that I have already one voice recording for this video. So you just have to drag it and drop into the timeline. Adjust it according to the video length and finally hit the play button to preview it at once. If everything looks good, click on the share button to download it and your video will now include your recorded voice. So that's it. That's how it is easy to add a voice recording in Canva videos. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.